And this lantern says, I saw all of existence all at once. I saw a dark storm, a living hunger eating it from within. But I saw a brilliant light heralded by 7 birds flying tirelessly from the storm. I saw 7 birds, the twins, the lover, the protector, the lonely journal keeper, the peacemaker, and the wordless one. And then it repeats that list again. The twins, the lover, the protector, the lonely journal keeper, the peacemaker, and the wordless one. And it actually repeats it several more times before the machinery inside of it dies down and it is silenced.
That's the worst Candle Night's Carol I've ever heard.